41% of companies struggle to analyze their marketing results. So how can you use your data to take your business to new heights? Data is gold, especially after the iOS changes that impacted first-party data collection. But it's not enough to just collect your data. You need to be able to understand your data and be able to implement changes based on it. Recent e-commerce trends are showing us that data-driven personalization is a key player in an enduring and scaling company. Merchants should segment their data to better target their customer experience, from pre to post-purchase. Using the data to better target your customers can increase the efficacy of your marketing and also improve the overall customer experience. This can result in increased retention, increased AOV, lower customer acquisition costs, and more revenue to spend elsewhere. If possible, invest in data analyst talent or work with third parties to make sure that you get the most out of what your data can do for you. It's all about understanding how all of the layers play a part in increasing LTV and generating high-quality customers. So let's recap. Data-driven personalization and precision targeting are key. Segment your customers to better target and get more bang for your buck. Invest in talent or third-party partners to analyze your data efficiently. If you'd like to hear more tips and tricks, check out the rest of our recap series here.